he's a natural born leader, and Ireland really needs a person like that. So there's many reasons why I like him. For example, his reasoning for putting American citizens first. I mean, if we had somebody like that in the Dáil, we'd be laughing all the way. He wants to keep his country safe, and that is paramount in today's world.
Okay, and as a supporter of President Trump, do you stand over his actions in Iran?
Well, I do, yes, because he has to keep his country safe. And obviously, if there's a nuclear threat, I mean, if we give them the chance to go ahead and do something like that, you know, they're going to win. So he spoke about this many, many years ago before he became president, actually. So because he spoke about that, that was one of the reasons why he got elected, you know, as president.
And what about his comments where he said he was going to wipe out or threaten to wipe out an entire civilization?
Well, first and foremost, like obviously that speech is very stern and we don't need to hear words like that, but I do believe a president must show strong leadership, and if he doesn't put his foot down now, Islamification will take over the whole world. I completely and 100% support the farmers of Ireland. I think it's great what they're doing. I'll always be behind the farmers. So when it comes to like fuel and oil, obviously, it's not President Trump's fault that the Strait was closed. So the Iranians blocked that. So basically, he wants it to be reopened so he can bring down the price of oil and fuel.
And what do your friends and family, what do they say when you express your support for President Trump?
Well, I'm really, really lucky because I have friends and family who do like President Trump as well. Obviously, some people can be judgmental, but if we all thought the same, the world would be such a boring place. And there is lots of Irish supporters here in Ireland.
And like the Irish Open has been held in Doonbeg this year, and President Trump has expressed an interest in coming. Would you support him in coming to visit Ireland?
100% yes. I was there in 2023 and I will do it again. And by then there will be a ceasefire and there will be peace in Iran because President Trump is going to go down as a peacemaking president.